Oh my word. This stinks. Yeah, but son, we definitely have to go.
Yeah, we definitely have to go to the torch trail. I can't just leave it here.
I know. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Adventures in Nature. Starring me, Siam. Hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, then man, there is a giant mysterious portal here. But if you do, then please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you stay notified whenever we upload new content and stuff. And also leave a comment down below about something I don't even know right now, like this mysterious flippin' portal. Why is there a portal out here in the middle of the woods like this? This is really weird.
Sam, the swirls are so.
Delta, don't. Uh, uh, guys, did she just? Ooh, so I think she did. Oh my word, Delta just went in there. Oh, Sam, this isn't good. This ain't good one bit. Oh my word, oh my word, oh my word, oh my word. Now we've got to go in after her. Oh well, let's get this over with. Geronima. Hello there.
Where am I?
Ah, 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 ah. You are in my quarters. I am the master of dreams.
So, Master of Dreams, I don't like you at all. Go away.
I will leave soon enough, my dear. But for now, you must listen. For I have all the power now, and I'll give you a taste of my power for you to see. Behold the power of the Master of Dreams. Ah, ah,
Ah, now I am Delta. Now, this is merely a sample of my power. I hope you enjoy the accommodations that I've given you. You'll be here for a while. Ha 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 ha! Okay, stop this! Stop this right now! No, get back here! Get back here! See you later! Ha ha ha! No!
Oh, I see. Oh, my word. That was so weird. That's way weirder than jumping into a pool or something. Oh, my word. Sorry, this whole thing is strange. Why does everything look so weird? And where's Delta? We need to find Delta, and then we need to get out of here as fast as possible. This looks really strange. Everything. What? Wait. What's happening? No, 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 no. No, don't. Wait. What's it doing? What's it doing? We need this portal to get out of here. No, 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 quickly, guys. No. Oh, we needed that to get out of here. Now we're stuck in this place until who knows when. Oh, this is so weird. Well, I need to find Delta anyways. My word, am I? Oh,
Okay, guys, hi guys, what's up? What's up?
we've been looking for you. Why did you go into the portal?
Oh, sorry, I had to. It was mysterious and all that. You know how I love mysterious things.
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways, this place is amazing, isn't it?
No, because we're stuck here for I don't know what. Like I said, who knows how long.
Well, that's all right. This place is pretty cool.
Pretty cool. You've had time to tour around this place.
No, not really.
Oh my word. Oh, this place is so strange looking. But wait a second. Everything's the same here. There's a fire, but it all looks so weird.
Yeah, I think it looks nice.
Nice? This is a my definition of nice. Yeah, mine neither. I want to be back in our world. Yeah, me too. Oh, this whole thing is so strange looking. I want to go in my house. This is really, my house looks so, oh, what's happening? Oh, what's happening? Oh, this is so weird. Oh, my fish is in here too and everything. Oh, this is so strange. Why is everything so weird? Oh, Sam, come up here. Come up onto the tower. We can see everything. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh, this is so gross. Oh, what's happening? What is happening? Oh my word. The entire world looks so strange. Sam, this is extremely weird. Saloon, this is extremely weird. Oh, I feel so sick. Oh my, it's over. It's over. Sam, I want a chicken. Hank! What? Hank, what did they do there? What who do to who? I don't know, but they did something. This is, why does Hank look so weird? Hank, he's like a quilted golem now. This is a little weird. Sam, whoever did this is gonna pay. Oh, this is extremely strange. Uh, what?
Siam, there's a problem here.
This is weird, like really, really weird. Sir, my whole house has gone topsy-turvy on me. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. This is also strange. Oh, even your bathroom's upside down, but actually, your bathroom doesn't look like that bad. Oh, Sam, how can I take a bath upside down? Oh, my word. This is so weird. Why is everything so strange looking? It's just like, it just doesn't make sense. Oh, so I have no idea. Oh, but now we're stuck in this weird place for who knows how long. That's what I. What? Oh, either. Go away, go away. What are you trying to do? I'll shoot you. Yeah, yeah, this is so strange. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh, guys, quickly, quickly, get out of there. There's a weird inhabitant in that upside down badger's house. Oh, oh, why is the whole world so weird? Oh, Slim, I have no idea. But Toad's house. Last time I had a nightmare in Toad's house, there was a Foxworth. Well, then we should check out my house. I don't want there to be a Foxworth there. There's no Foxworth. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. Toad's house is normal. Oh, sorry, my house is normal. Think something. It's just so normal. Yay. Yeah. Well, you're the only one then. Oh, my word. I've said that so many times now, but I have to say it again. Why is everything so flippin' strange?
Oh, oh, Siam, my house seems pretty normal.
Yeah, it actually does seem pretty normal. Ugh. It does seem pretty normal. Alright, but we need to come up with a plan to get out of here now. Like, seriously, we need to come up with a plan to get out of here.
I don't know, I kind of like this area.
Hello? This is my house now. Huh? Wait, whose house? This is my house now. Go away. Ah! What is that thing? Right, I'm the owner of this house now. Go away. I don't like that thing. This is all so weird. Okay, Delta, seriously, this is so strange.
No, it's really nice.
You are acting really weird, Delta. This whole time you've been acting really strange.
Oh, no, I haven't.
Oh, yes, you have, Delta.
Oh, Siam, 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 Siam.
You're all so easy to dupe. It's so simple. How could you have been duped by someone like me? Wait, Delta, your voice is weird. That's right. I'm not Delta. I'm the master of dreams. Delta? No, no, you're not. You're Delta. And how can you fly like that? Ha ha ha. You idiots. I just told you I was the master of dreams. Okay, I'm starting to believe you now. Where is the real Delta? Ha ha ha. I'll never tell. You. Oh, I can't. Badger, get back up here quickly. Ah, 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 ah. That is right, everybody. It is me, the master of dreams. Now be afraid and run like the dogs that you are. We're not dogs. I'm a cat. Ah! I want to go back in my house. Why isn't it doing the weird thing again? Get back here, all of you. Oh, this is so strange. Go away. Ah! He went right through the door. Come back, Siam. No, 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 no. Not this again. Ah, yes, I am. Oh, my word. Why? Why even? Oh, this is so strange. Slim, what's this? Oh, never mind that. I want to get out of here. I don't like this at all. Oh, come on. There's got to be somewhere where nothing weird is. Oh, Slim, remember the weird at my house. Okay, we'll go to Toad's house quickly. At Toad's house, at Toad's house, at Toad's house. Shut the door, shut the door. Come on, Toad, Toad, quickly. Badger, Badger. Ah, go away. Ah, Siam. Badger. Oh, Badger's here. How did you get it here? Oh my word! Oh, this is so weird. Oh, Salim, this is really, really strange. Oh, this is so strange. Siam, come here. No, 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 please, 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 no, 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 no. Oh, this is so weird. No, 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 no. Ah, here's nightmare.